And there's the Kennedy complex. And there's the southernmost weird dude. And the ghost tours. Woo! And there's some Hebe attorneys. We go behind the buildings, and there's no wind, no rain, no rain. The rest one is. It's like a nice, clear, sunny day.
Well, here we are in beautiful Key West. It is pouring rain, and things are looking bad here in Key West. It's winter. I'm getting soaking wet. So here, let's take a look at the electricity's going out. And here we are in our idyllic island land. Very scary. Thunder and lightning. I got a lantern from our girl. I don't know her name though. She's the one who's been cleaning our room and taking care of things here. She's been very nice to me. Put champagne on ice. I got the brown out on the old lights here. There we go. I wonder if the cable's out. Let's take a look. Lights are still on.
Electricity was out a couple times.
Cable's still lit. That's a bonus. Thunder. Ooh, it's scary out here. What is that light? It's very scary out here. It's very dark. Oh my God, it's only 4:30 in the afternoon. It's like 9 o'clock at night here. It is dark. It must be in a big old storm. And sunset's supposed to be 6:05 this evening. I think sunset's already been over. There ain't nothing going on here. It's a tropical storm. I guess that's what you get when it's winter in Key West. I guess January and February or winter. I'll try to get the sky. See if I can get any good storm clouds. Anybody running by? There's nobody running by. This place is pretty much desolate. A few cars cruising around. 4:30 in the afternoon, mind you. Awfully quiet. Uh-oh, I'm getting the camera wet. Gotta back it up. Back it up. Here comes that door. It's gonna hit me right in the face. But we're still cable and light. It's a bonus. Here's a picture of our room. Uh-oh. There's our cable. There's our bed. That's my side of the bed. The light. The bureau. Outside on our beautiful deck. Luke's walking. I can't get him though. I don't know what he has. Our camera stuff. Here's our refrigerator, our clothes. Oh, coming into the bathroom. What am I going to find? Oh, Lukey taking a leak.
Cindy, I thought I said only the Neiman Marcus card. My mother, who's her Cindy, this is what I'm talking about. Responsibility.
What are we going to do? We're going to hang out here. We'll probably go out to dinner. It's pouring rain. Hope they can cook. Hope they have generators. See the Cafe Soleil and see how it flies. Let's put it on pause for a minute. Take a picture of our beautiful bathroom. Ooh, what's that? Brushes, combs, stuff, junk. It's quite the spacious bathroom. I can walk all around. Hoppers, sinks, door to the kitchen, the giant tub. Ooh, it's a big tub. Go back this way on the tub. There's the shower head that doesn't let you go very fast. Cool blinds though. I really do dig.